For this unboxing video, I will show you the HDVision 2 megapixel wire-free security system. It comes with 2 wire-free cameras and a 6-channel NVR, 1080p resolution and 120-degree field of view. Heat detecting cameras will only send alerts to your mobile device. Camera supports 2-way audio and sees up to 65 feet in total darkness. The system is expandable up to 6 cameras total. So when you take all the contents out of your box, this is what you'll get. Let's go over the contents. You'll get 2 cameras with your system, 6-channel NVR, IR remote, USB mouse, power supply for the recorder, 2 rechargeable battery packs, mounting template with the mounting brackets, mounting hardware, USB power supply and charging cable, mounting tools, and a quick start guide. Let's go over the recorder. On the back of the recorder you have an HDMI connector, network, you have a USB mouse as well as a USB backup, micro SD card slot, you have a USB storage for external drive or external USB drive, and then the power port. Let's go over the wire-free camera. Comes with 2 megapixel resolution and 65-foot infrared. 2-way audio, 120 degrees field of view, smart motion detection built in, IP66 metal housing for outdoor use. Regarding the wire-free features, you have 450 feet line of sight range, 150 feet through walls. You have a lithium-ion rechargeable battery that will charge up to 8 hours and last up to 6 months. So if you're looking for a reliable wireless system that's easy to install, this HDVision wire-free system is perfect for you.